running contests. Contests can be very powerful. I have said this in one of my earlier sessions. I'll make you understand how. You can make a video or a post. You can ask people to tag 5 people, and give an answer, and give a description. Or maybe you can ask people to tell us the features about your program and tag 5 people. Or you can simply tag 5 people and ask them to tell those 5 people how this particular product or program is going to be beneficial for you. That is extremely important, and that is something that you can do. Run some sort of contest, give people some prizes, and on the basis of that contest, people will have that winning spirit, and also it would generate a lot of leads for you. Think about it. This is also one more thing that you can use for generating leads for you. Provided you have a good reach, you can ask people to tag 5 people. For example, I put in an Instagram post. Okay, I put in an Instagram post. I tell people to tag 5 people and tell them why the sales bootcamp is going to be beneficial for you. And the person who gives the best answer gets rupees 3,000. The person who gives the second best answer gets 2,000, then 1,500, then 1,500, then 1,000. How much is it? 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 9,000. So I have invested 9,000 rupees in that particular contest. And if I've invested 9,000 rupees, let's suppose 300 people participate and they tag 5 people each. So how many people have got to know about my program? 1,500 people. Let's suppose out of those 1,500 people, no, it's 1,500, no, 300 people tag 5 people each. So 1,500 people. And out of those 1,500 people, let's suppose 800 people become a part of your contest. So you have got 800 leads, part of your program, 800 leads for rupees 9,000, which is a good thing to do, right? Extremely powerful. Like your 1 lakh followers, we also did it. One more contest. I have to decide. We have already decided the prizes, the winners. We have to tell people about who the winners are. So you can also run certain contests and generate so many leads for you. People, use your brain. You don't need a lot of money. You need courage. You need courage to get results, to get money. And I hope by now everybody realizes this. You need the right mentorship to become successful. The number of ideas that I give to you in just one session, if you implement just 2 of them, believe me, your sales would just double because your leads would double. It's as simple as that. How many of you agree to this? Yes. But all that is important is that you got to take that action. You got to start implementing that stuff. If you don't implement those things, तब तो कभी भी कोई भी results आपके पास नहीं आने वाले हैं ना यार. Implement तो करो, execute तो करो, लोगों के सामने लेके तो जाओ content को आपके. जितनी चीजें आपको बताई जा रही हैं वो सारी चीजों को. But I see people over here. Some people don't even post their videos in the group. Some people don't turn up for the sessions. I don't feel bad. I feel bad for them. I feel bad for them because I know there are so many people who are attending this session. They are getting such results. लेकिन जो लोग नहीं आ रहे हैं, I feel bad for them. And I'm honestly speaking this, not just for the free trainings, people who don't enroll for our paid programs, I feel bad for them because I know that later on they are going to come back. But when those people come back, when they miss out on one more opportunity that would have changed their life, when they lose one more interview, when they are not able to sell, when they are not able to meet their targets, then they come. And what happens at that particular point of time? Those people are in a desperate need to change things overnight. Things don't change overnight. And that is when people get negative. So start preparing now. Now that we are going through this COVID-19 situation, we need to prepare right now. So that once the situation becomes better, we would be able to make more money. We would be able to make more money. We would be able to get more results. We would be able to get the job that we can get, that we were not getting earlier. यही चीज आपको समझ में आएंगी. और पता है ये सब चीजें कब समझ में आएंगी? जब आप ये सारी चीजों को implement करना start करोगे. That is the thing. That is what is so very powerful, and that is exactly what people need to understand. I hope you get it, right? Good. Now, the task for you is make a video and write notes how to have contests to get leads.